Onions are a staple in kitchens around the world, but their benefits extend far beyond flavoring our meals. Today, let's explore the remarkable health benefits and nutritional properties of this humble vegetable. 1. Nutritional profile. Onions are low in calories yet packed with nutrients. A medium onion contains about 44 calories, along with vitamins C and B6, manganese, and potassium. They're also a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion. 2. Antioxidant properties. One of the standout features of onions is their high antioxidant content. They contain compounds like quercetin, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing inflammation and protecting our cells from damage. 3. Heart health. Regular consumption of onions has been linked to improved heart health. The quercetin in onions helps lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Onions also contain sulfur compounds that can help prevent blood clots, promoting better circulation and reducing the risk of heart disease. 4. Immune support. Onions are known for their immune-boosting properties. They contain vitamins and antioxidants that enhance the body's defense mechanisms. Eating onions can help fend off common colds and infections, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. 5. Cancer prevention. Studies have suggested that consuming onions may lower the risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancers. The sulfur compounds and flavonoids in onions are believed to have protective effects against cancer cells by inhibiting their growth. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Onions may also aid in blood sugar regulation. Some research indicates that the sulfur compounds in onions can improve insulin sensitivity, making them a beneficial food for those managing diabetes. 7. Digestive health. Onions are a great source of prebiotics, particularly inulin, which supports gut health by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion and overall health. 8. Skin and hair benefits. Topically, onion juice is often used as a natural remedy for hair loss and to promote hair growth. Additionally, the antioxidants in onions can contribute to healthy skin by fighting free radicals and promoting a glowing complexion. 9. Versatility in cooking. Beyond their health benefits, onions are incredibly versatile. They can be eaten raw, grilled, roasted, or caramelized, enhancing the flavor of countless dishes. Whether in salads, soups, or sauces, onions are a culinary cornerstone. In summary, onions are not just a flavorful addition to our meals. They offer a wealth of health benefits that can enhance our well-being. From supporting heart health to aiding digestion and potentially lowering cancer risk, incorporating onions into your diet is a simple and effective way to boost your health. So next time you chop an onion, remember that you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a powerhouse of nutrition to your plate.